Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabil YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to set simulate secondary display on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, go to software information. Okay, tap this. In software information, you can see here the build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the developer mode has been turned on. And okay guys, go back and go back again. And now here in settings, you can see now the developer options. Okay, you can see below. So okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the developer options. In developer options, scroll down and go to drawing section. Here in drawing section, you can see here the simulate secondary display. And the simulate secondary display is set into none. So okay guys, to set the simulate secondary display or change, you'll have to do is tap the simulate secondary display. And the pop-up are show. Okay, now you can see the option. So you can set the simulate secondary display into none or 480p, 480p secure, 720p, 720p secure, 1080p, 1080p secure, 4K, 4K secure, or 4K upscaled. And okay guys, so we can try to set the simulate secondary display into 480p. Okay guys, you can see the 480p simulate secondary display. So here the 480p size. So you can change also into 4K. So I select the 4K. And here the size of the 4K simulate secondary display. And okay guys, also you can turn off again or select none. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the simulate secondary display on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.